right here I'm gonna make a crochet wig for you with some synthetic hair. All right, and these are the Jamaican jumbo curls. But anyhow, you know me and name bad, so I'm gonna leave the link how you can get these beautiful curls in the description box. All right, so check it out after. And I got this mesh from AliExpress. I also got these here from AliExpress. I cut the piece of band off right there, just like that, guys. Take it off, and then you're gonna untwine it a little bit. And if you want the curls to be more natural, you can make it frizzy or fuzzy. I'm gonna take it close towards the band. And I'm gonna give it 2 knots, just like that. And you want to do them a little bit distant away from each other, all right, because after it's going to be a whole heap of hair, just like that. Since I spaced the bottom row just like that, the next row, what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it in between so it falls in between the space. So I'm going to start from right here, and look at that, guys. Can you see it? Falls right between. I start to separate them in 4 now because I don't want too much here. All right, guys, can you see it? It's going on. When I reach close to the top, I'll come back and then I'll show you. This band, elastic band here, apparently I can put the hair through it because it's not that thick. So I went ahead and I add some along this band here. I separate them in about 6 or 8, very small, and I put them closer. This is the last one I'm going to put right here. So my peeps, I put a little makeup on and I think I'm looking fairly well. Yes, yes. And guys, I'm gonna try on the crochet here for you now. I'm gonna show you. It's a mesh, so you know it's easier. It's breathable. And it comes with 3 clips. Alright? And as I show you before, I cut the front, alright? And I clip it up somewhat. So here goes. Let's try on this bad boy. Woo! Lots of hair. Who is this girl? And guys, I have 1 pin because I cut the rubber band from the front. And I'm just gonna pull it down in my forehead. I'm gonna move the hair away a little bit. And then I'm gonna pin this just like that onto my hair, guys, because me don't want breeze blow it way now. I went in and you know all the long ones like this, I just went in and I cut it a little bit like those long ones there. If you see any long ones, you can go ahead and cut them. I cut some of it already, guys. And guys, you can't even tell where the part is. There it is. I clip it up somewhat, guys, because it was way long. So you can wear it however you want, guys. You can wear it on either side. I'm gonna turn around and show you the back. Guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. And if you have time, guys, you can make some baby hair there, but that's good for me. Woo! Yes, 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 sister, yes. I love it. You can use your spray bottle and you can just spray it a little bit. But you know I'm afraid of water. I'm not put too much in it today. Because I'm not going to really wear it right now, so I'm not wet it up too much. I have some aisle sheen and I'm just going to spray a little bit on it. Ah, the aisle sheen, whoo, flying all around. And guys, woohoo! It's super lightweight, guys. Yes, super lightweight. 2 packs of hair give me this. I am in love with it because I made it in a wig, and you know we can take it off and we can put it on, and we can take it off and we can put it on. Woohoo! Guys, it was way fluffier than this, so I think it's the Jamaican Bounce. I will leave the link in the description. You know me bad with people here. Alright, guys. So guys, this is it. This is it. You can wear it however you want, guys. You can even catch it up like that, guys, because can you see it? You're not seeing the front because I cut that piece of band off. So you can pin it back like this. It's super light, guys, super light. Tina Turner. Alright, guys, no more joking. I love it. I am in love with it. You can cut it in whatever style, how short, how long you want it. All right, guys, and it still gives me some curls in it. And guys, this is the final result. All right, too much fiddling, too much moving around. Love upon me and I love upon you. Yeah, this girl is fly. Ooh, look how me look pretty. Bye, guys.
Mine is a sweater. Mine is a sweater and yours is a shirt.
Yeah. Look how we look pretty together.
We said shirt at the same time. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.